right, everyone. So it's been out here for, this will be the 4th day, and I think it's completely cured. I have this paint right here, and it's from Rust-Oleum, and I like Rust-Oleum products, you guys. They make some good paint. A lot of products out there make good paint, but this one says color shift. All right. Now, if you read right here, it says apply over black base coat. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to spray my Flex Seal, and as I spray my Flex Seal is already black, so I'm going to just spray the whole thing with the Flex Seal on there, and then I will coat it with this. All right. And then we will see about that. Now, this is a fast dry, but I'll get into this later. This will be a special review. So, of course, I will have a separate review with this where I'll be like, welcome to Always Occupied, blah, 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 blah. All right. I just wanted to show y'all the little project that we're doing as far as the concrete go, and it is rock solid, you guys. It is rock solid. All right. Now, before we paint this, we basically have to clean and prep it. So we are going to wash it. I am going to paint it fully black, and then we will test out the Rust-Oleum color shift. And yeah, so let me go ahead, clean this up real quick. Sealing this part where I put the concrete at. So, and I'm almost out of this anyway. Now, let me get y'all closer to where I'm going to do this. It don't look that bad. But I see why they may say apply over the black base, because you'll see more of it. I actually see a little bit of the color on here, but I want to test this out on the black base coat and see if there's a difference. Oh, it is a difference, you guys. You can clearly see it. Oh, yep. Make sure you put it on a black base. And I don't, wait, let's see. All right. So y'all see that? Man, you can like see the details in the color. Wow, this is amazing. I like this. Oh, and it went to my face. Wow, that is awesome, you guys. So when they say spray on black, I mean, they mean it. Now, as you can see, now that's just one little coat. I sprayed right there and you barely could see it. So make sure, look at that. Wow. This is so cool, you guys. And I'm definitely giving 2 coats. It's cool how it looks orange, like going around. I know y'all probably barely can see it. Man, I might have to get another can. Wow, it looks good. I like this. I like this. All right, let me see if I can get this inside really good. I'm gonna try to look for like a clear coat to give it like a clear coating on it, like a protector or a sealer or something. I mean, it's already a sealer on there, but y'all know what I'm talking about, some type of enamel. But that looks awesome, you guys. And I think I will need another can if I'm planning on painting this whole, oops, if I'm planning on painting this whole pot. So This is very nice. And you can see the color change when you go around. So y'all might not be able to see it on the camera, but I can see it. So that's pretty cool. Even you can see even more here. Like, oh, I touched just a little touch. But when you hear, you can see the orange, and it's kind of cool because I'm trying to see if I'll do it when it's finalized, but it's cool, you guys. I did a little overspray right there, but we be okay. That will be okay. You see this part where it says apply over black base coat? Make sure you pay attention to that. All right, you guys. All right. We are back. I have to say, in my humble opinion, I think one coat, it may be good enough. I love the effect on this, you guys. I don't know if you could quite see it, but I can see it. So you see how it just turns colors when you go around and around. This is so cool, you guys. This is amazing. All right, I'm actually having too much fun out here. All right, I'm having way too much fun. I did not know they had spray paint like this. This stuff here is amazing. It's so amazing that I bought the other color. Cheap paint from Walmart, you guys, very cheap. It's like $2. So I don't know how far this is gonna get me, but I'm gonna paint as much as this black, and then I'm gonna put this on top of this, and then we'll have a cool little bird bath. All right, you guys, so this can that I got from Walmart, I've been shaking this thing for like almost 5 minutes straight, and the ball is not shaking. So I don't know what's going on. I've been shaking this thing 5 minutes straight. Did they forget to put the ball in it? I have nothing, you guys. There's nothing. There's nothing. I have to put this ball. Thanks for it.